As you can see, if we look down in the left corner, we can see our Google search country. So in order to change that, you're gonna have to simply click on settings in the bottom right corner, and then we're gonna have to simply click on search settings. Now from here, we're gonna have to go to other settings and then simply click on language and region. And then here we have display language. So we have English, then results language filter English, and then we have results region. So we're going to have to click on that and then simply search and select the country that we want and then click on confirm. And now it should be fixed. So now if I go back, I should see here United States. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.